Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe, your daily update. And we hit some significant levels, alright? So as expected, and we're just diving right into the analysis, but as expected, what we talked about yesterday is that after hitting the top of this bearish channel we had, or bullish flag, so far it looks like it was a bearish channel, right? Because we have had a bearish breakout caused by the market, but still it's a bearish breakout. But after hitting the top there, what we talked about yesterday is that, all right, well, it's most likely that if it follows the current market structure, which was also, I would say, in line with what Bitcoin was doing, it's most likely that from here, from the top of this range, we will drop back down to the bottom, which is what we did. And it's almost a miracle, but we actually found support there initially. The entire market was falling. Bitcoin got some significant bearish breakouts, but Pepe hold its own. It held the support level. Now, over the course of this morning, we saw like the biggest sell-off was yesterday afternoon, and then also this morning. So what happened this morning is that we got a bearish breakout right here for Pepe, below the main level we broke above on Monday the 22nd, which was this level right here between 6,500 and 6,200. So purely technically, what we were wondering is whether this was a bullish flag so that we could get a move up afterwards, or a reversal, and which started with a bearish channel. And by getting this bearish breakout we got earlier this morning, technically it's confirmed that it was a bearish channel, all right? Because if a downtrend like this ends with a bearish breakout, then it's confirmed that we are bearish. So I think you should assume that we are bearish right now. I think that's the safest thing to do. But in general, I do think like we are falling down quite a bit, and I want you to be prepared for both scenarios. And I do think that there's a buying opportunity for Pepe as well. And maybe that's even more interesting. So if we're just purely looking at the technicals right here, what I would say is that, all right, the momentum is still dropping down, as you can see right here. We've had a bearish breakout technically, so it's most likely that we will fall down lower. I think that's what you should expect, and that's what you should prepare for. So that we will find a break retest right here, and that will start dropping down towards 5,500. And if we don't find any momentum from there, we'll drop down to 5,000. That's what I think you should prepare for, and that's what I think technically is most likely. Now, what we are waiting for though, and that's also, Pepe is also quite correlated to that, we're waiting for a support for Bitcoin to hit. And what I think is that if you compare Pepe to other cryptos, there's almost no crypto that has been, especially in the top 100, there's almost no crypto that has been as strong as Pepe has been in the last 2 weeks, all right? So if you look at it that way, I think that if Bitcoin actually does find some support here and get some sort of bullish momentum, I think the best opportunity is to buy Pepe if it gets some sort of a reclaim here. So the biggest bearish breakout we had is below 6,400, which is right here. If we can break back above that while Bitcoin finds support, I think that's actually a good buy opportunity. So like I said, I would assume that we're going to drop down lower. But be ready, especially keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin finds some sort of a bullish reclaim or just in general momentum, be ready for that breakout for Pepe to potentially buy it back. I'll be ready for that. All right. So yeah, I think that's the most important thing to keep your eyes on. And the most important thing to be prepared for is a further dump or crash. But that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.